Some of them have been preparing some activities for many days. So let me give them an opportunity also to showcase their talent. So let me invite Aarti and Muskan on the stage. Please put your hands together for both of them.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the Shine of English, a place to grow, where streams of knowledge forever flow. With wisdom, patience, and dreams so wide, we shape bright future with pride inside. Learning, leading, and aiming high, reaching success beyond the sky. So hello everyone, this is Muskan. And I am Aarti. And we are the student of the Shine of English. Today, it is the 20th annual function of our institute, and I am feeling very proud and at the same time privileged to address our institute in front of you all. Jeev sir has started this institute from a one-room balcony of a Coach Bihar, and now we are having two lavish institutes. The first one in Madanagir, which is run by Jeev sir and Gagan sir, and the another one in Sangam Bihar Bandrod, which is run by our Pushu sir and Ashish sir. No institute can achieve the greatness without the pillars of wisdom who hold it up, our beloved teachers. So, let's take a moment to appreciate or honor the incredible mentors who have dedicated their time, energy and passion to shaping the future of their students. So let's meet the backbone of the Shine of English, our Honorable Jeev sir, who has meticulously crafted a learning environment for the students which embodies academic excellence, creativity and critical thinking. And he has established a benchmark for the language education. Now, let me introduce you the shining star of our institute and the all-time favorite teacher of each and every student, our beloved Pushu sir. He has been a constant source of guidance, compassion and generosity of his spirit have earned him a special place in the heart of everyone at the institute. The way he teaches or gives feedback, the most hesitant student feeling motivated and inspired to improve. So please welcome the jolliest teacher at the Shine of English, our Ashish sir. With his infectious smile and inspiring personality, he has proven that learning can be a joyful experience, and he always reminds us to cherish each and every moment of our life and find happiness in the most simplest things. Let's meet with another gem of the TSC, who doesn't seek to impress, yet his simplicity impresses all. Yes, I am talking about our Gagan sir. The vocabulary maestro with his vast knowledge of words. His innovative teaching methods made him a beloved figure among the students, and his classes are always delightful. What makes this institute truly special is not the way English is taught here, but the way it is experienced. Here, students just don't memorize words. They learn English through engaging in dynamic activities. So let's know about these activities in brief. So let's start from one of the favorite activities at the Shine of English, Walk and Talk class. It is a class where students step out to their fear and starting engaging in real conversation, where they meet to the other people and improve themselves in the most natural way. Let's move towards another vital activity of our institute, a presentation class. It is not just a class, it is a class which empowers students to express themselves confidently and effectively. Also, help them to learn the art of public speaking and preparing them for the real world scenarios. So let's know about the another activity of the Shine of English, competition class. So it is a class where students get chance to step out their fears and push their limits and be a better version of themselves.
which make their random speaking skill better.
There is one more crucial activity which being conducted in our institute every Saturday, a vocabulary class. In this class, students learn so many synonyms of a single word and which makes them to help make their conversation more effective and eye-catchy. Now, each of these activities is not only